Hello friends, good morning. My name is Sagar Parmar. Today I would like to talk about MS Dhoni. So please listen me carefully. MS Dhoni. In full name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is born in 7 July 1981 from Ranchi, Bihar. Now Jharkhand in India. MS Dhoni is one of the best player in cricket. He was preference in 21st century in Indian cricket team, and he also win the 2011 Cricket World Cup. MS Dhoni is 2007 to 2011. He is a very best captainship. 2000 2040 to 2060 he win the many cups. 2000 he also current captain in CSK from Indian Premier League. Uh, 2011 he won the ICC Indian Cricket World Cup. 2030 he won the ICC Champion Trophy. 2007 he won the uh, 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 T20 World Cup. He is a he is a best finisher in cricket game. He is one of the best cricket captain and wicketkeeper in history of cricket. He achieved many awards. The presenting by Sri Ramnath Kovind presenting the Padma Bhushan Award achieve MS Dhoni uh, MS Dhoni to April 2080. 2009 he achieved a Padma Shri, and 2007 to 2008 he achieved a Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. But this year the Dhoni is a live in cricket. Thank you so much for listening me care.